I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments. I'm way too numb.
Hi, it's Tiziana. So I've been doing a little shopping, and when I went to my shopping center, there was like a really beautiful display, big display of crack polish. So I think it will be very like Vogue for the summer of 23. So I bought a few crack polishes and then a few other polishes. So first of all, on my nails, I just used one coat to wear under one of the crack polishes that I'm gonna test today. I'm wearing one of my MACs, and this one is called French Tipped. And I just put green on one of my thumbs, and it's also a MAC. And this one is called Doll Me Up. So I thought these two, they are not new, they are old. I thought they would look good on the crack polish that I'm gonna show you now. So like I said, I bought two of them. So these are from Depends, and they really had such a beautiful display with the neon crack polish. So I couldn't buy them all. I bought two just for trying them out. And I also love neon polish. So I'm gonna put the pink one on, and the green one, I think I'll try it on my thumb. So I bought these two, and then I also found this one. This is Mavala nail polish. They are from Switzerland, and I've always seen it, but I don't own any of Mavala polishes. So I thought I would try one of them today, and I found this beautiful color. It's like pink with a strong kind of blue shimmer in it. It's really strong shimmer. And this one is called, do they have names? Oh, this one is called here Candy Pink. And all of the Mavala polishes, they come like this in small bottles. So it's not like a mini bottle. They're all like this. So yeah, I just thought it was really beautiful. And then I bought a rich filling base coat. So I've never tried CND, and I like to use it when I do swatches. I like to use rich filling base coats. And you know me, I always like to try new brands and anything that I haven't tried before. So this one, I'm gonna give it a try. It's a very good brand, so. And my old one is finished. The old one I had was from Zoya. So I bought this one. And then I bought a color club, of course. I always have to buy one color club. And this one is one that I don't have. It's not one of the latest, but I've always wanted this one. It's called Do You Boo? And it's yellow, but it's got a shimmer in it. It's hard to see it here, but it's got I don't know if I'm able to show it. It's got a shimmer in it. Maybe when I swatch it, you'll see it. But it's really beautiful. I thought it was a normal cream, but then when I got it, I could see there was shimmer in it. I went on, what is it name? It's called Etsy. I went on Etsy and I wanted to try a new brand that I've never tried before, so I bought this one. It was so beautiful. This is from Inspired Senses, Inspired Senses polish. And this one is called She's So Shifty. And it just looked so beautiful. I said, okay, let me try this. This is a brand I didn't know about at all. So that was my mini haul. But then I have a polish. There is a channel called Haley's Nails 123, I think. And I saw one of her videos and she showed a fancy gloss, a neon one, yellow neon. So I wrote, oh, I have the same fancy gloss, just pink, not the yellow one that she had. So she said, oh, okay, I've never seen that. So I promised that I would show it in my next video so she could see how the pink one looks. So this is for you, Haley, if you're watching. So this is the pink version, and this one is called Neon Pink Sparkles, and it's exactly the same as yours with the bar glitters, but only this one is neon pink. And this one is like, if you see it if you look at the swatch stick at night, it's like glowing. It's so beautiful, so neon and so beautiful. So I'm gonna show it at the end. I'm gonna swatch at the end of the video. Sunny and so beautiful at night when it's dark. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna test these two on my nails that I have prepared, and then I'll swatch the rest after my nails. So starting with the pink one. So I already put out a video, I think a month ago, with crack polish from China Glaze. If you want to see more crack polish. But this one is just my cup of tea. I love neons. So when I saw neon crack, wow.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key at Onyx, find a rider. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. When I'm pulling up right beside you, pop star Lil Mariah. When I text kick game wireless, throw a stack on the Bible. Never Snapchat or took Molly. She fall through plenty, her and all her guineas. Yeah, we at the top floor, right there off Duini. Yeah, oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Yeah, when I'm with my squad, I cannot do no wrong. Yeah, saucepan in the city, don't get misinformed.
So let me swatch. Let's start with my favorite Color Club. Oh, I love it, I love it. It's so creamy and it's got that shimmer in it. Super beautiful with the shimmer. Oh, sorry I can't show you the shimmer. It's really, but it's a dull day today, no sun. And then this Mabala. This is also super. I've already swatched it and it's really gorgeous. Once it's rests, you really see the blue shimmer a lot. You know, not all polishes with shimmer are gorgeous. This one, Inspired Senses polish. So this, of course, will need 2 coats. I want to make this a short video. I'm so behind with my videos and but it's just like you can't force it to be short. Yeah, so this I'll have to wear it to show all the shift that's in it. You can clearly see the purple and the blue super clearly. You see it? This one is so beautiful at night. So I'm not able to show it to you now. But trust me when I say it. So really bright, super, super bright. Thank you very much for watching. If you watched the whole video, please leave me a like. It helps my channel a lot. And I will see you in the next one. I'm not sure when that's gonna be, but soon enough. I absolutely love nail polish, and I have so many new polishes as I can't even show them here. So I'll show them a little bit at the time. And I have new plates also. I really can't wait to have some free time and just do nail art. I love it so much. I really, really love it so much.